Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Video from Goneedle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this specific Mother's Day decal which has two layers. You're going to go ahead and take your first layer, put it on wherever you are going to put it, like t-shirt, canvas, wood, can be anything, and take your iron and press it for 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead and remove the carrier sheet slowly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the second layer on top. Yes. There you go. You can make it look like a little bit of the underneath color shows. Okay. Now put your Teflon sheet and iron again for 30 seconds. Okay, it's ironed. Let's go ahead and remove the carrier sheet. There you go. You have your design. Thank you for watching.